I'll show you how to move gigabytes of data in seconds using the USB method, including the new Apple Devices app, and a secret cable trick that could save you hours. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, let's talk hardware. If you have an iPhone 15 or newer, you're using USB-C. But here is the pro tip. The white cable that came in your box is likely restricted to USB 2.0 speeds. For iPhone Pro models, use a 10 gigabits USB 3 cable to transfer 4K videos up to 20 times faster. Connect your iPhone to your PC. Unlock your phone and keep an eye out for the Trust This Computer prompt. Tap Trust and enter your passcode to bridge the security gap. Using the first method for photos and videos. If you just want your media, open Windows File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Double-click on your Apple iPhone, go to Internal Storage, and open the DCIM folder. Your photos are sorted into subfolders. Simply select what you need and drag and drop them to your desktop. To avoid compatibility issues, ensure your iPhone camera is set to Most Compatible in your settings so your PC can read the files without extra codecs. Using the second method, good for documents and app data, since iTunes is now retired on modern Windows, download the Apple Devices app from the Microsoft Store. Once open, click the Files tab in the sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of apps on your iPhone that support file sharing, like VLC or Word. To move a movie or document, just drag the file from your PC directly onto the app name in the list. If your PC isn't seeing the phone, check your cable quality or try a different USB port. For those on the latest Windows 11 update, you can now also use the Phone Link app for basic photo browsing without even opening a folder. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.